Introducing Composio-MCP, a simple, powerful way to connect over 250 apps and 20,000 plus actions directly to your MCP host, like Claude or Cursor. With Composio-MCP, you can access tools like GitHub, Slack, and Linear. Automate tasks and streamline your workflows. Skip the complexity, no coding required. Let's see an example of how we can integrate Linear with the Cursor IDE and Gmail with the Claude desktop app. Begin by searching for mcp.composio.dev and search for Linear. Once you find Linear, you can view the list of available actions in various interfaces. Click on Generate under the Cursor tab and copy the URL. Next, go to Cursor Settings, click on Features and add a new MCP server. Name it Linear and paste the URL. With an MCP server already set up and a sample issue available, use Cursor's Composer to fix the issue by copying the issue ID and asking the Composer to fetch and correct it. The process first checks for an active connection with Linear, then runs the Linear getIssue command, identifies the problem, and proceeds to edit the file to correct the mistake. After accepting the fix, ask Composer to add a comment under the original issue. It will call the Linear create comment action and generate a detailed comment explaining the fix. To integrate Gmail with the Claude desktop app, click on the Gmail app, select Claude, and generate the command. Copy it and run the installation command in your terminal. Once the installation is complete and your configuration is saved, restart the Claude app for the changes to take effect. After restarting, you can see the list of available actions. Now ask Claude to send an email. Allow Claude to execute the email action, and you get a confirmation that the email is successfully sent. So what will you build with Composio-MCP?